Okay, for the stuffing, let's fry some bacon. So I'm just gonna chop it.
In a pan, add olive oil. Add the bacon and cook until crispy. When cooked, take out and put to one side.
Just slice your onion. Just finely dice your celery. Carrots.
In the same pan, add olive oil. Add onions, carrots and celery. And a good pinch of salt.
And you just want to cook these vegetables down.
Next, add the mushrooms and cook 2 minutes.
Now add that yummy bacon straight in. And then just give that a light stir. We're going to be using some pistachio nuts, and these will go fantastic with the stuffing. So add the pistachios to a pestle and mortar. And then just lightly smash them. Add your nuts straight in. Add your garlic. Some fresh rosemary. Goes very well with this stuffing. And just cook that garlic out for a couple of minutes.
Add spinach.
A little bit of olive oil on top.
Now cook the spinach until wilted. Next, cut your bread about 1 inch thick and cut into cubes. Add the bread to a bowl, followed by the stuffing mixture.
Add 1 egg to a bowl. And then just whisk. Add the egg.
Next, add stock.
And then stir everything well.
Cut along the middle of the breast, about 3/4 in and open. Place plastic on top, using a meat bat or rolling pin, flatten the meat. Add salt and ground black pepper. And the stuffing.
Make sure that you really pat that stuffing down and leave a border.
Now roll the breast tight. Here, I'm using butcher's twine. This will help the meat stay firm and cook evenly. Next, add olive oil to a baking sheet, add the turkey, followed by salt and ground black pepper. To make the gastrique, add cider vinegar, brown sugar, pomegranate juice. Now reduce to about 1/4 cup. When reduced, add to a bowl.
Look at that, it's got a nice glaze. So leave that to cool.
When the turkey is cooked, leave to rest. So there you have it, that's one delicious meal for you to make on the holidays.